Welcome to Bodicares Wellness. If you're looking for delicious and nutritious ways to fuel your day, you're in the right place. In today's video, we'll show you how to make easy and tasty sweet potato recipes that will give you the energy you need to power through your day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more healthy recipes and wellness tips. Let's get started and discover the amazing benefits of sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are a culinary gem, bursting with flavor and nutrition, yet often overshadowed by their more common counterparts. The vibrant orange hue of sweet potatoes is not just visually appealing, it signifies a wealth of health benefits. Packed with vitamins A and C, fiber, and antioxidants, sweet potatoes are a versatile ingredient that can transform any meal into a nourishing experience. In this video, we'll explore a variety of delicious sweet potato recipes that are sure to energize your day. Whether you're looking for a hearty breakfast, a satisfying lunch, or a delectable dinner, let's start with breakfast, the most important meal of the day. Imagine waking up to the aroma of sweet potato pancakes wafting through your kitchen. These pancakes are not only fluffy and delicious, but also provide a nutritious start to your morning. To make them, you'll need mashed sweet potatoes, flour, baking powder, a pinch of salt, and a touch of cinnamon for warmth. Combine these ingredients with your choice of milk and an egg to bind everything together. Cook them on a hot griddle until golden brown and serve them with a drizzle of maple syrup or a dollop of Greek yogurt. The sweet potatoes add a natural sweetness and a beautiful color, making these pancakes a feast for both the eyes and the palate. If you're in the mood for something a bit different, consider a sweet potato smoothie bowl. This vibrant concoction is a great way to pack in nutrients while enjoying a refreshing start to your day. Begin by blending cooked sweet potato with your choice of milk, a banana for creaminess, and a splash of vanilla extract. The result is a silky smooth base that you can pour into a bowl. Top it with your favorite toppings. Think granola, fresh fruits, nuts, and a sprinkle of chia seeds. This smoothie bowl not only energizes you, but also keeps you full and satisfied until lunchtime. As the day progresses, you might find yourself in need of a quick and healthy lunch. Enter the sweet potato and black bean salad. This recipe is as simple as it is delicious. Start by roasting diced sweet potatoes in the oven until they are tender and caramelized. In a bowl, combine the roasted sweet potatoes with canned black beans, rinsed and drained, diced red onion, chopped cilantro, and a squeeze of lime juice. The sweetness of the potatoes pairs beautifully with the earthy black beans, while the lime adds a refreshing zing. The salad is not only filling, but also packed with protein and fiber, making it a perfect midday meal. For those who prefer a warm lunch, sweet potato and lentil soup is a comforting option that will warm your soul. Begin by sautéing onions, garlic, and carrots in a pot until they are soft. Add diced sweet potatoes and rinsed lentils, along with vegetable broth and your favorite spices. Cumin and coriander work wonderfully here. Let the soup simmer until the lentils and sweet potatoes are tender. Blend it until smooth for a creamy texture, or leave it chunky for more bite. This soup is hearty, nutritious, and perfect for meal prep, as it keeps well in the fridge for several days. As the afternoon rolls around, you might find yourself in need of a snack to keep you energized. Sweet potato fries are a fantastic option that is both satisfying and healthy. Slice sweet potatoes into thin strips. Toss them with olive oil, salt, and your choice of spices. Paprika or garlic powder add a nice kick. Spread them out on a baking sheet and roast until crispy. Serve them with a homemade dipping sauce, such as a spicy yogurt dip or a tangy avocado crema. These fries are a delightful way to satisfy your cravings without the guilt. When dinner time arrives, sweet potatoes can shine as the star of the meal. One of the most popular dishes is the stuffed sweet potato. Start by baking whole sweet potatoes until they are tender. While they bake, prepare a filling of your choice. You could use a mixture of sautéed spinach, feta cheese, and walnuts for a Mediterranean twist, or opt for a hearty chili made with ground turkey and black beans. Once the sweet potatoes are done, slice them open and fill them generously with your chosen filling. This dish is not only visually stunning, but also a complete meal that is sure to impress. For a lighter dinner option, consider sweet potato and chickpea curry. This dish is fragrant, flavorful, and incredibly easy to make. Begin by sautéing onions and garlic in a pot. Then add diced sweet potatoes and canned chickpeas. Stir in coconut milk and curry paste, allowing everything to simmer until the sweet potatoes are tender. Serve this curry over a bed of rice or quinoa for a nourishing meal that is both comforting and energizing. The combination of sweet potatoes and chickpeas provides a powerhouse of nutrients, making this dish a perfect end to your day. And let's not forget dessert. Sweet potatoes can even find their way into your sweet treats. A sweet potato pie is a delicious way to celebrate the natural sweetness of this root vegetable. Start with a simple pie crust, then blend cooked sweet potatoes with brown sugar, eggs, cinnamon, and nutmeg until smooth. Pour the mixture into the crust and bake until set. The result is a creamy, spiced pie that rivals any traditional pumpkin pie. Serve it with a dollop of whipped cream for a delightful finish to your meal. So, as you embark on your culinary journey with sweet potatoes, remember that they are more than just a side dish. They can be the foundation of your meals, providing not only nourishment, but also a canvas for creativity in the kitchen. With these delicious sweet potato recipes, you can energize your day, boost your mood, and enjoy every bite. Let the vibrant flavors and health benefits of sweet potatoes inspire you to create meals that invigorate your body and delight your taste buds. Throughout the day, sweet potatoes can be incorporated into a variety of meals, each offering unique flavors and textures. Their natural sweetness, combined with their versatility, makes them an ideal ingredient for energizing recipes that satisfy both hunger and health. Whether you're enjoying sweet potato pancakes for breakfast, a hearty salad for lunch, or a comforting curry for dinner, each dish is a celebration of this remarkable vegetable. Thanks for watching. We hope these delicious sweet potato recipes help you feel energized and ready to take on your day. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Bodicares Wellness for more healthy recipes and wellness tips. Remember, small changes in your diet can make a big difference in how you feel. Take care, and we'll see you in the next video.